The Tower of Hanoi, which is one of its many names, is possibly the easiest puzzle or toy that you are likely to make. Easy to make, that is, not necessarily easy to solve. The idea is to move the tower, or pyramid, from one end of the base to the other. But not like that. Each disc is moved, one at a time, ensuring that no disc sits on top of one smaller than itself. The wood came from a recycled slat, which had already been planed to 62 mm wide by 17 mm thick. The dimensions, however, are not critical. They were simply the sizes of the wood in this case. The length of the base was dictated by the size of the largest disc, which was approximately 59 mm in diameter. The center distance between the rods was 76 mm, and the overall length of the base, 225. No mathematical formula was involved. The sizes were based on the old drawing office adage that, if it looks right, it probably is. The ends of the base were marked out with a pair of compasses, the excess sawn off, and the final shape was finished on the sander after drilling. The holes in the base were drilled 6 mm diameter, which made them a tight fit for the standard dowel rods, and negated the need for glue. The base was treated with mineral oil. When it was dry, the pieces of standard dowel rod were gently tapped into position. Each of the 5 discs were cut out with a hole saw. It was the size of the saw that dictated the diameter of each disc. Cutting most of the way through from one side, then finishing from the other, made it easier to remove the disc from the saw. The hole saw had a pilot drill, 6 mm diameter, which enabled a 6 mm bolt to be used as a mandrel for sanding. As the accuracy of the disc's diameters were unimportant, the sanding was done using a pistol drill with 2 different grades of sandpaper to achieve the desired finish. Prior to the individual colors being applied, each of the discs were re-drilled to 8 mm diameter to make them an easy fit on the dowel rods. Care needs to be taken with the smaller discs, which are likely to catch on the drill bit. Finally, each of the discs were colored, using Sharpie pens. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see the puzzle solution above.